Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing a Tailscale on our TerraMaster NAS system. Tailscale will allow you to reach your NAS without exposing any ports, and it will also allow you to securely connect to your NAS without having to, opening the ports, trying to put the NAS on the internet, and so on and so forth. In order to get started, we need to have a virtual machine. If you followed our guides, you will have an Ubuntu machine. On the Ubuntu machine, you will be able to use this script that you will find on the Tailscale homepage, and you can simply just copy it and download it. While the script is running in the background on your Ubuntu machine, make sure you make an account on the Tailscale. There is two ways you can actually do this. You can run your own head scale, which is open source, another server, but then you need a domain. But you can also use Tailscale. So for this reason, just to make it simple, you can just make a Tailscale account, use that. That will be fine for now. However, if you do want to, you can always install headscale. So, after your Tailscale installation has been completed, we need to do the following settings. We need to make sure that the IP routes for subnet is activated. And in order to do that, you need to make a few lines. The first line is echo net IPv4 IP forward equals 1 to the sudo t into the sysctl99 Tailscale network interface. The next one you need to do is you need to configure all the forwarding for IP6 if you're going to be using that. And after that, you need to make sure that you have successfully done this. So you need to make sure that you use the sysctlp command to make sure that all of this has been verified. When you have done that, you need to open the Tailscale up command with the subnets routing enabled. And then you need to input your subnet that you want to route. In this case, I want to route two subnets. I want to route the 00 and the 10. After that, you just log in to the Tailscale homepage, use the link as it will show you the link with the key that you need to input, and after that you just need to connect the device. After you have connected the device, the subnet routing will not be enabled by default because there's a protection. So you need to log in to the Tailscale homepage, find your virtual machine, and then you need to enable it. You need to click on Enable Subnet Routing. There is a help section on the Tailscale homepage where they actually tell you that this is for safety reasons, right? So I have included a picture of what they wrote on their homepage. You can just follow it along, do the same thing. It's very easy, it's not very complicated at all. And after this, anything that connects to your Tailscale network will have access to anything that the Ubuntu machine has. So basically you will be able to access your TerraMaster NAS, everything else, your services, whatever you want. So here is basically their help page for enabling subnet routes on the admin console. So you need to open the machine page on the admin console, locate the little blue icon next to the machine of the Ubuntu machine, and then you need to click on the three dotted lines, the menu, click on edit routes, and then basically you need to enable all of the routes. You basically click approve all, and when you do that, everything is done. You can do it.